Alrighty, YouTubers, I'm back again, this time in the kitchen. We got another Amazon Prime unboxing to do. And remember who sent this? Coming from iMarku Kitchen. Links are going to be down below where you guys can purchase one of these at a low cost. Hope everyone had a good day so far. Everybody is safe. We made it. It is Thursday, almost the weekend. And now we got to offer you guys one more cut. Oh boy. Definitely excited for this one. Really good company. But damn. iMarku 7-inch Santoku Knife, I do believe. Chop up some veggies, some steak, avocados, all that good stuff. Nice packaging. Oh man. Beware, sharp knife. Got it. Alright. But check them out. Link is going to be down below. Put you guys right in here. Back you up. Right there. Oh boy. What is this? Oh, this way. Oh boy. Here we go. Whoa. Definitely this could do some damage. Lorena Bobbitt style. We got the blades on it, so that's really cool. Got the protector. Look at that thing. Bling, bling, bling. Oh yeah, it's lightweight for sure. iMarku, man. Yeah. It's like that movie, Crocodile Dundee. Now that ain't a knife. This is a knife. This sure is a knife. They have other goodies also, so check them out. We're going to see how this cuts. Oh boy. I'm going to remove this very carefully. Ooh. Ooh. Oh boy, look at that. I don't know if you guys can see it, but dang. Nice divots. Lightweight. Let's see what it does. I don't want to chop my finger off. Whoa. That's some action right there. Perfect onion cut. There we go. Boom. Alright. Oh great, now I'm going to cry because the onions are strong. Alright, let me get you down. Yeah, boom. Probably going to get yelled at for cutting the onions wrong, but this is only a demo. Whoa, look at that. Perfecto. Now the little guys. Oh yeah. Chopping it up. There we go. You guys can see. Remove that. Excess. Yeah, buddy. Bam. I like that sound. Watch out, Gordon Ramsay. I'm coming for you. Oh, yeah. Oh, my eyes are watery. Ooh-wee. Oh, look at that. Boom. Serious bladage. Cuttage. My eyes are watering. I'm crying. I ain't going to show you guys that part, though. There we go. Oh man, that burning. Should have tried peppers instead. Holy smokes. So I like when my dog died. Oh boy. But just be careful with the blade. It is really sharp, as you can tell. Boom. Boom. This will be good for bars, restaurants, probably. Home. Anything. Cuts really good. Don't want to cut my fingers. Do not want to bleed today. I wasn't planning on doing that. So we're going to be safe. And kitties, ask your parents permission. And make sure you have adult around. Especially these junior chefs. Kind of crazy. Alright. Dang. That was easy as pie. Now I got onions done. Just about. Got my little Tupperware. But, boom. Pretty sharp though, these blades. So just be careful when you guys get it. Easy, clean, lightweight, really sharp. Well, I guess I could do. See? Make them smaller. Kind of like the McDonald's kind of fries. Or onions. Not fries, but you catch my drift. But really cool stuff. I think they got other things there too, also on their website or Amazon. I'm just not sure what else they have. But definitely check them out if you guys have free time. If you guys need a set of knives, definitely a good company to choose. Bada boom, bada boom, boom, bada boom, boom. There we go. That is definitely fun. Clean up the mess. But oh, I gotta be careful. Oh boy, almost tipped. No, throw away. Oh boy, there you guys go. Ah, dang it. Sorry about that. Got a little carried away. Here we go. Back at it. I don't think. Oh great, now my battery's gonna die. I gotta hurry up. And that's not good. But these are good. So peel the skin off. Chop away. Shoot. Chop it off. Okay, that's alright. Make sure you wash your hands when you're doing this. And just be careful when you cut. There we go. Save the biggest sometimes for its hamburgers. Small ones for the meat. Get the meatloaf. Oh, timber. It's pretty quick. Oh, gotta get this big guy. There's a couple in there. There we go. Skin won't come off my thumb. There we go. Awesome. So thank you guys at iMarku for sending me this to show the YouTubers what you guys have to offer. And you guys could get one at a low cost. But definitely check them out. Like I said, if you guys are bored, got some free time on your hand, Pretty cool. Gotta flip it sometimes. Boom. Oh, yeah. All right, YouTubers. You guys have a good one. Be safe out there. And I think I'll see you guys tomorrow. If not, have a good weekend. See ya.